Uh-oh.
Hey everyone, welcome to my mom's creation. Let's create something amazing. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to crochet this super cute little tortoise, perfect for beginners and great as a keychain or gift. I will guide you step by step, so grab your yarn and hook. And let's start creating something adorable together.
For head, make a magic ring, then 6 single crochet, then increased in 12 single crochet, then 1 single crochet and 1 increased, make 18 single crochet, then 2 single crochet, 1 increased, make 24 single crochet, 1 2 3 4 lines or 4 rounds, make 24 single crochet, then increased in 30 single crochet, and then after that 36 single crochet and increased in 42 single crochet, then make 2 lines, 42 single crochet and complete the hat. Then make a flowers, cute flower and 3 leaves like that. Now for making the body, I have used green or yellow yarn. First you make a magic ring, then single crochet, 6 single crochet, then second round increased in 12 single crochet, next third round increased 1 single crochet, 1 single crochet and 1 increased, then make 18 single crochet, then increased 2 single crochet and 1 increased and make 24 single crochet. Next round 3 single crochet and 1 increased and make 30 single crochet. 6 rounds you make 30 single crochet and then 12 rounds decrease 3 single crochet and 1 decreased, make 24 single crochet, then 2 single crochet single crochet and 1 decreased, make 18 single crochet, and then single crochet, 1 single crochet and 1 decreased, make 12 single crochet and all decreased, make 6 single crochet and then tighten the yarn and fill some fiber. Making the leg, I used green yarn, make 2 legs. At first make a magic ring, then 6 single crochet and second round increased in 12 single crochet, round 3 to round 8, 6 rounds, make 12 single crochet, then 9th round 3 decreased and make 9 single crochet. For hands like legs, I used again green yarn. At first make a magic ring and 5 single crochet, then increased in 10 single crochet, make 6 rounds, 10 single crochet, then 9th round 3 decrease and 7 single crochet. For making the tail, at first you make 12th chain and 3 rounds of 10 single crochet and then decreased till end of the cone. For the sail of the tortoise, make a magic ring and then 6 single crochet, then increased all the stitches and 12 single crochet. After that 1 single crochet and 1 increased, then make 18 single crochet, then 2 single crochet and 1 increased, make 24 single crochet, and then increased 3 single crochet and 1 increased, make 30 single crochet. 1 2 3 4 5 5 rounds, 30 single crochet. Then make chain stitch by the crochet on the shell like that. Head of the tortoise, at first you make a magic ring, then 6 single crochet. After that increased in 12 single crochet, then 1 single crochet and 1 increased, make 18 single crochet, then 2 single crochet, 1 increased, make 24 single crochet, like that. 3 single crochet, 1 increased, and make 30 single crochet. Then 6 to 10 rounds, like 5 rounds, 30 single crochet. Then 11th round, 4 single crochet and 1 increased, and make 36 single crochet. 12 to 14 round, like 3 rounds, make 36 single crochet. After that 15th round, 4 single crochet and 1 decreased, make 30 single crochet. Then 3 single crochet, 1 decreased, to make 24 single crochet, and 2 single crochet and 1 decreased, make 18 single crochet, and 1 single crochet and 1 decreased, make 24 single crochet, and all decreased, make 6 single crochet. Then cut the yarn and pull some fiber, and for the nose you make 4 chain and 2 rounds, make 4 single crochet.
And that's how cute tortoise is all done. If you like this tutorial, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. Comment below if you want more cute crochet patterns. See you in the next video. Happy crocheting!